In this Python Flet tutorial, we will learn how to use the image object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In the previous video, we learned how to use the slider object. Let's make an example with an image in this video. First, I add an image object. I will add the path of the image to the source section of the image object. I will add this image. This way I can access the image path. I need to make edits to the slash sections in path. I adjust the width and height values of the image. I send the image to the add function. I added the image to the application. Now I will add an object containing 30 images to the application. Thanks to the scroll object, we will be able to see all the images. I can do this with a for loop. The loop will run 30 times. I will add images to the images object with the append function. We will transfer the images from the internet. I am adding a website to the source section. This site produces a new image every time you consult it. I adjust the width and height values of the images. I adjust the border radius values of the images. Let's take a look at the website. As you can see, it produces a new image every time the site is accessed. I send the object to the add function. Let's see how the application works. 30 different images were transferred from the internet. We can see all the images with the help of scroll. I recommend you watch the next Flet lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.